You're on a train. Evening. The city blurs past the window. Across the aisle, an older woman sits, reading a worn paperback. Her glasses slip slightly. She adjusts them, calmly. You notice her, and it hits. Your mind. Why is she alone? Is she sad? Happy? What's her life like? Before you blink, you're spinning a story. Judging, assuming, reacting. This is what we do. We see someone, and we drown in noise. Our own thoughts, our own rush. What if you could just notice her without the story, without the need to know, just see? Today, we're slowing down, not to learn secrets, not to win at anything, just to observe, to pause, to let the noise fade. 11 truths about older women, not to use, not to fix, just to understand, quietly. If this feels familiar, if you've ever wanted to stop the chatter in your head, leave a 1 in the comments. Not for us, not for fame, but for someone else out there who needs this pause, who needs to breathe, who needs clarity. Just a quiet signal to keep this going. Fact 1. Scent and presence. You're at a bookstore, narrow aisles. An older woman brushes past. Her scarf carries a faint scent. Lavender, maybe cedar. It's subtle, but it lingers. Your mind jumps. Is this attraction or just nothing? Studies say scent matters. A Rio de Janeiro lab found women's olfactory nerves are sharper, 50% more neurons. A familiar smell, it stirs something. Memory, comfort, trust. It's not just perfume, it's her presence, her steadiness. You don't need to chase this or overthink it. Just notice. Her reaction isn't yours to solve. It's a moment. Let it be. Stoicism teaches us control what you can. Your own presence, your own calm, nothing more. Next time you meet her, choose a simple scent. Clean, not loud, not to impress. Just to be present. Then let go. Her response isn't yours to force. You're in that bookstore again. She's flipping through a novel. You're nearby. Your mind wants to perform, to be clever, to stand out. But pause. She doesn't need that. Fact 2. Quiet confidence. Older women notice men who are steady, not loud, not trying too hard. A study from Chicago showed confidence draws them. But not arrogance. Not the guy who dominates the room. The one who's sure of himself without shouting it. He listens. He's present. He doesn't need to prove anything. You feel the urge to impress her, to fill the silence. Restrain it. Let the moment breathe. Stoicism says, you only control your actions, not her thoughts, not her approval. Next time, stand tall. Speak less. Let your presence speak. If she leans in or smiles, notice it. Don't rush to fill the space. Just be. Fact 3. Unspoken feelings. You're at a cafe. She's across the table. An older woman. Maybe a colleague. Her eyes soften when you talk, but she doesn't say much. You wonder, is she interested or just polite? Studies show women often feel deeply, but they hold back. A survey found 68% might consider a connection if they feel safe, if they trust you. She's not hiding, she's protecting her heart, her thoughts. You want to push, to ask, to know. Don't. Observe instead. Her eyes, her posture. Is she leaning closer? Smiling faintly? Those are her words. Silent, but clear. Stoicism teaches, accept what you can't control. Her feelings aren't yours to force. Next time, ask about her day. Her dreams? Listen. Don't demand answers. Let her share when she's ready. You're at a park. A group gathers. She's there, older, poised, laughing with friends. You notice something. Others gravitate to you. Women smile. She glances over. Fact 4. Social signals. Evolutionary psychology says women notice men others respect. Not because you're loud or flashy, because you're valued. A man with friend smile, female seems grounded, desirable. It's not about faking it, or using people. It's about connection, real ones. You want her to notice you? Don't chase her. Build your circle. Be kind, be steady. Stoicism reminds us, focus on your character, not her gaze. Her interest isn't your goal, your life is. Next time, bring a friend along. Let her see you as you are, not performing, just living. Fact 5. Playful teasing. You're at a bar. She's older, sharp. She smirks and calls your drink boring. You laugh, but part of you tenses. Is she mocking you? Relax. Teasing is her language. A study on social dynamics says women tease to test, to see if you're steady, if you can laugh, if you're fun. She's not attacking, she's inviting. You want to snap back or defend yourself. Pause. Smile instead. Match her energy. Stoicism says, don't react to every jab. Control your response. Keep it light. Next time she teases, lean in. Say, oh, you think you're clever? Grin. Let it flow. She's not your enemy. She's your mirror. Reflect her playfulness and stay calm. You're walking with her. A quiet street. She's older, elegant. Her hand brushes her hair. Again. You wonder, is it a signal? Fact 6. Body language. Women speak without words. A study from UCLA says they're wired for it. More attuned to gestures. Eye contact. Posture. Her hand in her hair? Maybe interest. Her arms crossed? Maybe distance. You want to guess. To analyze. Stop. Just watch. Notice her eyes. Are they locked on yours? Her body. Is it open, facing you? These are her truth. Stoicism teaches, don't assume. Observe. You can't control her signals, only your attention. Next time, mirror her subtly. If she leans in, lean slightly. If she pulls back, give space. Let her lead, without words. Fact 7. Care in appearance. You're at her place. She's older, thoughtful. Her dress is simple but deliberate. The way she moves, it's careful, intentional. Studies say women focus on details, especially in close moments. Not vanity. It's effort. For herself, for you. You want to say something, to compliment, but it feels forced. Don't overdo it. Stoicism says, speak with purpose, not flattery. A simple, you look thoughtful tonight. That's enough. It sees her. Her effort. Next time, notice the small things. Her earrings. Her scarf. Say one true thing, not to win her, just to show you see. She'll feel it and you'll stay grounded. Fact 8. Emotional depth. You're talking late. Her voice softens. She shares a story. Not grand, just real. About her past, her fears. You feel it. Her heart. Studies say women crave this. Connection. Not just touch, not just words, emotion. A survey found they feel more when you listen, when you're present. You want to fix her story, to offer advice. Restrain it. Stoicism says, you control your ears, your patience, not her feelings. Next time, ask a gentle question. What did that mean to you? Then wait. Let her unfold. Her trust? It's not a prize. It's a gift. Be still and receive it. Fact 9. Friendships wait. You're at a dinner. She's with her friends. Older. Vibrant. They laugh louder than she does with you. You feel a pang. Jealousy? Insecurity? Pause. Studies show women lean on friends. Heart. A 2019 survey said friends give them safety. No judgment. Just support. You want to compete. To be her everything. Don't. Stoicism teaches, accept what you can't change. Her bonds aren't your rival. They're her strength. Next time, encourage her. Say, your friends seem great. Mean it. Build your own connection without crowding hers. Balance is trust. Fact 10. Intentions in dating. You ask her out? She says yes. Dinner. Nice place. But her eyes wander. Her questions, surface level. A survey says 38% of women accept dates for the experience. A meal. A night out. Not always you. You want to take it personally, to question her. Stop. Observe her. Is she curious? Asking about your life? Or just there? Stoicism says, focus on what's clear, her actions, not your hopes. Next time, test lightly. Ask about her passions. See if she engages. If not, let go. You're not her meal ticket. You're enough, as you are. Fact 11. Upset but open. You're with her. She's quiet, tense, her jaw tightens. Something's wrong. You want to walk away. Give her space. Pause. Studies say women want you to notice. When they're upset, they're waiting, not for fixes, for care, a gentle question. You okay? Her anger isn't a wall, it's a door. You want to argue, or ignore, restrain. Stoicism says, meet her where she is, with calm, with ears open. Next time, sit closer, ask softly, listen, don't solve. Her heart will soften if you stay steady. You're back on that train. Evening again. The city hums outside. She's there, reading, steady. This time, you don't spin a story. You don't judge. You just see her. Her calm. Her presence. It's enough. These facts, they're not rules, not tools. They're mirrors. Showing you, her. Showing you, to slow down, to notice, to let the noise fade. If this helped you pause, even for a second, we'll be here tomorrow. Not to teach, not to push, just to be still.